This is a brand new 2014 Toyota Tundra. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.7-liter V8, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a voice-activated navigation system, a rear-view camera, voice activation technology, a sunroof, speed-sensitive volume controls, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: the Toyota N-Tune infotainment system, a JBL stereo system, big 20-inch wheels, a spray-on bed liner, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Don McGill Toyota of Houston is located at 11800 the Katy Freeway, Interstate 10 in Houston. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.